Okay, here we have a 120-inch seam welder. We're going to set up to run stainless steel at the moment. You're just going to find that it's going to do a welding pass, grinding pass, and a polishing pass, all in one setup. Let me go ahead and load it and you'll see it run. You load the actual part on the base, net pads, putting it up against a stop in the other direction as well. Table will shift. Load the top portion of the enclosure. Of course, it can be an enclosure, a steel box, anything with a corner. Again, this is stainless. Parts fixture is in place. You also, of course, go up to 120 inches long and even down as short as 8 inches. Very flexible in this direction. It's infinite as large as your shop is. Welding process. MIG welding, we're actually upside down. And of course, we can also set up this machine to weld with 2 torches, which will halve the time of the actual weld process. As it is right now, we have this machine set up for 1 torch for mild steel, 1 for stainless steel. So if you're running a mixed batches of parts, or even 1s and 2s, you can very easily change over. It's just a push button on the screen. Weld wire is already changed. Gas will automatically change. Weld is complete. Table's opening up. And this allows clearances for our grinder head to come through. In this case, we do a total of 4 passes. 1 on the bottom side of the enclosure. Doing now. 1 on the side. And now we're 2 oscillating passes. This is where we're actually grinding the radius. Keeping in mind that this is a 50 grit belt at the moment. And this is our polishing. This is a Scotch-Brite type belt. Again, a total of 4 passes. At the moment we're grinding the side, now the bottom. And 2 oscillation passes. Everything moving back to its home position, and the box will be released. And this is our finished product. See, it's a nice radius, well polished, which of course the Scotch-Brite's doing. Start of corner, end of corners can be blended very nicely. So again, this machine you can do down to 8 inches, up to 120 inches in seam length.